Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to activate Optus Prepaid SIM. First of all, we need to open our browser and go to the Google, where we need to write the simple keyword in the Google search, activate Optus Prepaid SIM, and you need to open the first result and make sure that you are on the official website. After that, you need to click Get Started, and when you go to this page, you will see the list what you need to have to activate your SIM. So you need to have a new Optus Prepaid SIM, a credit or debit card, a valid form of ID, and 4G or 5G compatible device. Then click Get Started right here and enter your SIM number. Then click Validate SIM, and after that you need to go through a few steps. You need to select the plan, then you need to enter your mobile phone number, then you need to enter your ID and contact details, and finally you need to make the payment and you will activate your Optus Prepaid SIM card. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.